Hi there, welcome back to another tutorial. I'm Nobel from Expart. In that class, we are just gonna learning something really special. In that class, we are just gonna learning these tools that is known as healing brush tools, patch tools, and red eyes tools. So what are we waiting for? Very first, we have to go select this. Go to healing brush tools. So last day we learned spot healing brush tools, but today we are just healing brush tools. So healing brush tools is just like brush. When you select it, you get like a brush, and if you use the third bracket, right side it will be bigger and the left side it will be lower. So like this, when you just select it, and when you just select it, just select the marking area. So in that mark we have the pimple in here, pimple mark in here, but this place is good. You see this? So very first we have to select which area is good, and we can copy from here. So in here, when you zoom it, just select, press the Alt, and when you press the Alt, it will be marked like this. It will be marked. You see this mark area? That mark will be there. That's mean you are copy at this place. Press this Alt and just copy it, and it will be selected, and you see that it will be like automatically selected like this. And when you press this, click it, you see this part is vanished. So this part is vanished. So this is really smoother part. So how you can remove any kind of marking area for again like that? So we have to select this area. We have to select this area. Just press the Alt and click, and just click it, and this part will be gone. So like this part, so every single part, if you like this how, so it will be automatically removed and it will be smoother. So let's do this one, and you see it's gone. So now I think you got these ideas, and you know how this healing brush tools work. So if you don't understand, so wait, I'm going to express this again. Now you have to select the patch tools. The patch tools mean just we have to select the marking area. You see, just in here the patch tool, we have just selected it, and just round it, make it round, and make it like patch. You have to make it patch. Just make it patch. Just which place area or which area you just wanna be selected, or you just to copy, just select, go to this area like this. You see in here we have this pimple mark in here. Just go to this area, and when you just go to this area, you see this place is be copied. So this is how it's gone. So again like this, just you have to select your manually, and then gone, and this place is gone, and just copy which area you wanna select it. So I'm just going to select it like this. You see this place, and selected it, and this copy. And remember which area you want to be copy, you just go to in that area. Just very first select it, and then go to it, make it copier. So like this, and that. So okay, so in that how you can do any kind of thing. So you see this is the mark area is vanished. So this is thing. And now we have this red eyes tools. So you know the red eyes tools. So very first we have to select the red eyes in here. This is very simple. So when you just click the photo, if you have the red mark like that, so how to do that? Just you have to select this red eyes tool in here. Just drag it and just select the areas, and it will be automatically removed. So in here you see that when you just take a photo, and you can see your eyes may be red for the flash. So how to solve this issue? And this is not gonna worry. Photoshop have some real advanced tools. This is gonna be solved in like 1 second. So how to do that? So very first you just unlock your layer, just make it copy, because if you copy it, so if you have any kind of issue, you don't like it, so you can change it for this. There's no doubt at all. So okay, so just select it, and you see when you just go this, when you spot healing tools, maybe like that. So just go in here, spot healing tools, and you see the red eyes tools option in here. And when you just go to the red eyes tools in here, you see the pupil size, and we make this pupil size 100. We can make that darken amount, that will be like 70 to 75. So you can try what will be best for your photos. So in here we just select it, just click it, and drag and drops. I think 70 must be better. This will be the before and now it's look like that. So this is the things how red eyes tools work.